Have you ever looked at a photo of yourself and thought, "Wait, why do I look so puffy? I swear I didn't gain weight." Yep, that's not your imagination. In this video, I'm going to show you how to look instantly slimmer on camera without dieting, filters, or hiding behind your phone. Because the truth is, it's not always about fat. Sometimes, it's just your face proportions working against you. You know those people who gain 3 kilograms and no one notices? And then there's you. You sneeze near a croissant and suddenly your face looks double in size on Zoom? Rude? That's because some facial shapes, angles, and features naturally pull the eye outward, making your face look rounder or wider in 2D photos, even if you're actually slim. And if you've ever looked in the mirror feeling fine but hated your selfies, that disconnect? That's what we're fixing today. So let's talk about why this happens, and more importantly, how to fix it. Because once you understand these little facial tricks, you'll know exactly how to pose, style, and make up your way to that clean, sculpted look. No diet required. First up, your face length ratio. Most faces are considered balanced at a 1 to 1.4 vertical ratio. But if yours is shorter than that, especially in the midsection, your face can look wider by contrast. Here's why. When the vertical space is small, our eyes naturally move side to side, not up and down. So the width gets emphasized, even if there's nothing to emphasize. Next, the nose. If you have a shorter or wider nose bridge, your mid-face may look more compressed. Now, toss in even a little cheek fullness, and boom! You've got a puffy-looking face on camera, even though you're not bloated at all. It's just your facial geometry playing tricks on you. But don't worry, we're gonna flip the script. Has something most people completely overlook: temple width and facial margin. If your temples curve inward or your hairline recedes even slightly, the sides of your face may feel more exposed, especially on camera. In real life, people see you in 3D, but the camera, it flattens everything. Now, let's talk solutions. Here are 3 quick ways to make your face look leaner, even if you've been snacking all week. 1. Upward eyeliner, not down. If your mid-face is short, don't drag your eyeliner downward. It compresses your features and makes your face feel heavy. Instead, draw your liner upward and outward. This elongates your gaze, lifts your features, and adds a sleek, sharp vibe, like you're glowing on purpose. And bonus, it reduces visible width around the temples, making your whole face look slimmer. Number 2. Smart nose shading. Wide or flat noses can spread visually on camera. Here's the fix. Add light contour along the sides of the nose bridge and the inner corners, especially near the eyes. This creates soft depth, brings attention to your eyes, and instantly refines the center of your face. Number 3. Side hair equals slimmer frame. If your temples feel wide or recessed, try this. Bring soft side pieces or bangs forward to gently frame your face. It works like magic, shrinking the face visually without hiding anything. It's especially powerful if your hairstyle normally exposes your forehead or temples. Try it once, you'll never go back. Okay, now that we've cracked the code for making your face look slimmer, what about your body? Why do you sometimes look bigger in clothes or photos than you really are, even when the scale hasn't changed? I actually broke it down in this video right here. Why cargo pants make you look wide and what to wear instead. You do not want to buy another pair until you see this.